embarrassed because I'm not from Manitoba, so I get away. Anyway, listen, the address that I've been giving you guys all night, it's wrong. I'm practically in tears. Look, I'm crying. I don't want you guys to see me cry. Listen. Anyway, it's 275. You all knew that, didn't you? You're such a lovely audience. Give yourself a round of applause for me. Now, I want to introduce a guy to you, or guys I should say, gentlemen rather, from Toronto too. And these guys, when I say they harmonize and they sing like mellow music, they really sing like mellow music. And right now, I want to bring on stage, but you can see that my stage crew is working a bit here, so why don't I just keep on talking to you? Anyway, I know you guys are dying to know my name. To really know my name, right? And I know you guys want to know if I'm married too, right? And you guys want to know if I have kids in it, but I'm not going to tell you that. I'm going to let you keep on guessing. Anyway, for the ones that didn't hear my name, it's Rose. And, right, you couldn't ask for a lovelier person, and I'm the manager of these guys. I know I shouldn't tell you drunkheads my name. Now, people, I'm going to appeal to you all that's driving. Now, we came all the way from Toronto, and it's very important. I'm going to beg you and I'm going to plead with you. I know you're here to have a good time, but do me a favor. Don't drink and drive. If you know you're going to drive,